Welcome back to the Finance Shark. We are going to tell you about 7 tips and tricks on creating a budget that's easy to follow. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Are economic troubles causing you to consider your personal finance situation? Budgeting is an essential part of a healthy financial life. Budgeting will help you achieve the goals you're working toward, whether that's getting out of debt, saving for retirement, or just trying to keep your grocery bill from getting out of hand. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 7, increase your sources of income. When you've increased sources of income, sticking to your budget will be a thing of the past. So, look for more possible ways to increase your earnings and have an easy budgeting life. Number 6, save first, then spend. Many people choose to spend first and save what's left over. This makes saving optional. It doesn't ensure consistent saving contributions. Think of saving as a fixed expense and factor it into your budget accordingly. Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving. Who can argue with Warren Buffett? Number 5, minimize your transactions. If you struggle to enter your expenses into your budget every single night, then one of the simplest solutions you can implement is to just buy fewer things. This is what I refer to as the minimalist approach to budgeting, and it is one of the best ways to make budgeting easier. Number 4, make a schedule and stick to it. While you're making a budget part of your monthly routine, why not pick specific dates for other expenses? Set up auto drafts out of your checking account to pay bills, and buy your groceries on a set day every week or twice a month. When you know what to expect and when to expect it, you take a lot of stress and potential pitfalls out of the picture. Number 3, prioritize debt repayment. While you may be moved to start a budget and save up for a vacation or car, putting those ideas on the back burner and focusing on paying off existing debt may be better. Prioritizing debt may save you money on interest and reduce financial stress. It's important to keep your debt down because it affects credit utilization. Be mindful that your credit score may be damaged if your credit utilization is over 30% of your limit. Number 2, prioritize your needs. There is a part of keeping the budget simple that only discipline can help put in place. It is necessary that you know what comes first on your list and attends to them, rather than just spend your money on everything and anything. Number 1, prepare for unexpected expenses and emergencies. If you are unprepared for them, unexpected expenses have the unique ability to wreck your monthly budget. From emergency medical bills to an unexpected car or home repair, if you don't have a decent amount of savings to cover you in the event of an unpredictable expense, you are putting your budget in serious danger and setting yourself up for financial difficulty in the future. In general, we recommend that you build an emergency fund big enough to cover anywhere from 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.